And I want to introduce, first of all, Craig West. Now, Craig is an award-winning strategic exit strategist, and he's worked with mentor.com.au. He's a director of Succession Plus, and on top of that, he's starting his doctorate. Without further ado, can we please give Craig West a big hand?
I think it's really important to understand this whole thing around succession and exit planning, but for me, this quote talks about exactly what it is. It's about beginning with the end in mind. So I'm not going to embarrass anyone to ask you, but how many people are confident they can clearly articulate what their exit strategy is? How many people know exactly when they're going to exit, how they're going to exit, how much money? Anyone? Why the hell not? How many people know how they're going to get home tonight? So you're sitting on an asset. For some of you, that asset is worth more than your home or any of your other assets, and you don't know how you're going to get out of it. You don't even know if you can get out of it. If you can get out of it, do you know how much for? Do you know when? Do you know what you've got to do to prepare? Why not? Most people are the same. When I ask business audiences that question, most people don't have an exit strategy. It's crazy. You're building up a substantial asset. You're here spending 2 days learning lots of things, writing lots of notes, working out lots of things to make your business more valuable. For what? If you don't know how you're going to get out of it or how you're going to extract that value, why would you bother making it worth any more? So what you've got to do is think about your exit strategy. What's your end game?